Welcome back to 2 Minute Tuesday, guys. Thank you very much for joining me. Today we're going to look at a Click Fix quick repair patch. It's basically what it says on the tin really. It's a little patch that goes on the pipework and it's got some solder already in the fitting. So let's assume that you've been putting floorboards down or you've been putting a picture up. Somehow you caused a hole to go into the pipework there. Now normally this is nasty. What you're going to have to do is cut it there, take that out, replace it, put a couple of slip sockets on there. So it's going to cost you copper, time, effort and everything else. With this little patch, all you're going to have to do is drain the system, drain the pipework, polish this up, put some flux on it and put the patch straight on and off you go. Job done. These are an exceptional bit of kit. I've been meaning to do a video on them for some time because they've saved me a few times. I understand that you won't be able to use these in every situation and some situations will call for a proper repair. But these are thoroughly tested, guaranteed, and they will hold a substantial amount of pressure. Easily household pressure. I mean, I've seen these tested up to 50 bar before and be perfectly fine. So let's get straight into it. Get it on the vise and we'll polish it up and solder a fitting on. So we've got a hole there like so. What we're going to do is take off any ridges or burrs that were caused by the drill bit. Then we're going to polish it up using an abrasive strip like you should do every time. So now we're going to apply some flux to the area with my finger. I know I should be using the brush but I can't find my brush. And then all we're going to do is make sure that we get the fitting, the Click Fix fitting in the centre, so you're going to make sure you get it right, like that. And then I'm going to wipe off any excess flux around the edges. Now we're just going to apply some gentle heat, just about medium flame, maybe a little bit too high, let's tone it down a bit. Now if you are doing this, you'll want to be using a heat mat or some heat board. Of course I don't really need to use that at the minute. And as you can see, the solder eventually starts to run. So because it is quite a large fitting, you will have to work your way around it. Job done. So we'll let that cool down and we'll take a look at it. And there we go, once semi-polished up, it looks absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, the solders run nicely around the edges. So a very handy piece of kit. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, I'll see you on the next video.